So we have Elsie Rodriguez who's here with us, and super exciting.
I am, yes. Hi, thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
Yes, so my name is Elsie, and I work at Clubhouse 5, and I've been working the 90's Luncheon for almost, well, this is my 4th year. Besides the 90's Luncheon, we do other events and that are held at Clubhouse 5.
Okay.
But yeah, the 90's Luncheon, once again, it was a success. We had those who were 90 and over. We had over 207, 210, which was very exciting to see. I feel like every year that number increases, which is good. And
living longer.
Longer, exactly, yes. And then we have we had 6 residents who were 100 and over.
Right, so we actually are showing them now. So
yes,
these gals
yes.
are 102, right?
Yes, so on our left, her name is Sylvia Landfill, and she's 102. And to our,
they look so, I mean, this is amazing. It's very encouraging.
Yeah, and she's funny. She was just laughing the whole time we were like interviewing her and taking pictures. And then to our right, her name is Gerda Height, and she just turned 102 on June 25th. So just this week, or so, but yeah, that's some that are 102. And then to our left, her name is Jane Whistler, and she's 104, which is amazing. Yes, and to our right, her name is Janet Ainsworth, and she's 102.
Okay.
So, yes.
All right, and then you actually had one gal who is 105.
105. So yes, every year I see her, and it's just, I mean, to me, she looks the same. She's very talkative and funny, and she's, very a lovely, human being. And her name is Antoinette Mullen, and she's 105.
Oh,
so,
that is so great, so great.
Yeah.
So now you had, they could bring their loved one or
family,
guest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we had roughly like 85 that were guests. Yeah, so we had in total 300,
And what were some of the fun things that you guys did?
Yeah, so what the 90's Luncheon consists of is, of course, we provide them a free lunch. Those who are 100 and over, we interview them, we take pictures, and the pictures are taken, the video and pictures are taken, the video, is taken by Scott Marvel, and the pictures by Mark, who's a resident here.
Right.
Yes. And then once the video is finalized and everything, we provide lunch, and they just interact with other residents. I had a resident come over and say, thank you for this special lunch. I met someone, she's like, I've been living here for 23 years and have never met someone who, they were born in the same hospital back in Chicago. So she was very happy to meet someone.
Oh, that's nice.
So then, we provide lunch, which is catered by Yolanda. So I want to thank Yolanda and her staff for an excellent work. And then we have a harpist who plays the harp or the music, and then halfway we play the video. So which it's all the residents that we interview and the pictures that we took throughout the in the beginning, I should say, of the lunch or the luncheon. And then my supervisor, Ted Ball, he goes up there and he tells everyone, thank you for coming. And he gives like the stats, how many were 90 all the way to 105. And he just gets the numbers. And then we had 2 sponsors, Freedom Village and the Wellington. And so we want to thank them for their support. And we show the video and pictures, and afterwards we tell the veterans to gather in the lobby to take a picture, which that's
and all
what
these
you're
are veterans.
seeing.
Wow, that's great.
Which is great.
A lot of ladies in there too.
Yeah, I believe they're and I think they're wives as well. But they're
that's
all of them
excellent.
are
That's
veterans.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, what a good turnout. It's so nice that you guys honor them that way.
Yes, exactly. It's just an amazing event that we provide once a year. So it's a month of preparation. I mean, it's hard work, but that 2 or 3 hours is worth it. So
that's great. That's great. And I think you have something very special that you said one of the residents
wrote. Of course. So actually, in the video, she read a poem, and I just want to share the poem to everyone. Her name is Marilyn Cipura, hopefully I'm pronouncing her name correctly, and she's 91, and she's just a funny lady. She's so cute. And this is one of the poems she read that I would like to share. It's called Live and Learn. This is the life. It's the only one I'll ever have. Sometimes it's good and sometimes it's bad. Sometimes I'm happy and sometimes I'm sad. I had plenty of money back in 2004, but unfortunately, I don't have it anymore. I either spent it or gave it away, and I forgot to save money for a rainy day. I may be poor in money and material things, but I'm rich in the happiness that faith, hope, and charity brings.
That is beautiful.
Yeah, so I just wanted to share that with everyone.
That is lovely.
Thank you, Marilyn.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
Well, thank you for all the hard work you do.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, and everyone else in my staff, my supervisor, the sponsors, and the caterer, Yolanda, for all the hard work. Yeah, so
excellent.
Thank you.
Well, good job. Thank you for sharing that with us.
Thank you.
And then maybe we'll have you on, before the fall, because I know you have some other things that are coming up.
Yeah, so in the fall, we usually have the Monday Night Football. So every Monday we show on a big screen in the main lounge. We provide hot dogs, so we have hot dogs for sale. We have a no-host bar. What else do we? And chips and popcorn. So that's starting in September.
Okay.
Fourth Monday of each month, we have a brisket dinner, which is $12, and you can purchase the ticket at Clubhouse 5 office.
Okay.
What else is coming up? We have a Village Bazaar, which is becoming popular, and everyone is asking about it. I believe it's the first Saturday of October, so details will be coming out soon. Yeah, and we advertise it through the Globe and flyers, so hopefully the residents will be in the lookout for that information. So that's actually the big event that we have in the fall, and then of course the New Year's Eve. So that's I think the main ones coming up.
Well, recreation keeps us very busy, so I appreciate you coming on. Thanks again.
Oh, thank you for having me.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you. And don't forget to always check with us, or check the Globe, or check the website, and look for all the recreational activities that are coming up. We'll be right back.